Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello and welcome to my channel and to my series of Speak French in 5 minutes. In today's video, we are going to discuss a conversation in French on how to order food at a cafe. Now, I have divided the video into two sections. In the first section, I will discuss with you the dialogues in French which are needed to order the food at the cafe and their pronunciation and meaning in English. Here you need to repeat everything after me. And I'm very sure that if you'll repeat everything after me, then in section 2 you will be actually speaking in French with me. So let's start the video. Répétez après moi. Please repeat everything after me. Now the scene is you are walking inside the cafe. When you'll walk inside the cafe, then you'll say to the waiter, Bonjour, une table pour une personne, s'il vous plaît, which means hello, a table for one, please. I have written the pronunciation of the dialogue in red. You just read the pronunciation from there and repeat the dialogue after me. Bonjour, une table pour une personne, s'il vous plaît. Repeat. Very good. Next, the waiter will say, Bonjour, madame, bien sûr, suivez-moi, which means, hello, madam, of course, follow me. Just read the pronunciation from there and repeat after me. Bonjour, madame, bien sûr, suivez-moi. Very good. Next, you will take the seat and you will say to the waiter, Merci, je peux avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît? Which means, thank you, can I have the menu, please? Just read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Merci, je peux avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît? Very good. Next, the waiter will say, Bien sûr, le voici, which means, sure, here it is. Just read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Bien sûr, le voici. Very good. Next, when you will receive the menu, then you'll say to the waiter, Merci, which means thank you. Repeat after me. Merci. Very good. Now the waiter will give you some time and will ask you after some time that have you made your choice? So he'll say in French, Vous avez choisi, madame? Read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Vous avez choisi, madame. Very good. Check the menu and you will say in French, what would you like to have? So you'll say in French, Oui, je voudrais un café et une brioche, s'il vous plaît. Which means, yes, I would like a coffee and a brioche. Brioche is just like a bread which people in France like to have with a coffee. So just read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Oui, je voudrais un café et une brioche, s'il vous plaît. Very good. Now the waiter will say, Très bien, je le porte to the suite. Which means, very well, I will bring it right away. Just read the pronunciation and repeat. Très bien, je le porte to the suite. Very good. Now, waiter has gone and has come back with the order. So he'll say in French, Voici votre commande, madame, which means here is your order, madam. Just read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Voici votre commande, madame. Very good. Voici votre commande, madame. And now you have received the order, so you say thank you to the waiter. So you'll say merci. Repeat after me. Very good. Merci. Now you have finished eating, then you'll ask for the bill. So you'll say in the French, l'addition s'il vous plaît. Read the pronunciation and repeat after me. L'addition s'il vous plaît. Very good. L'addition s'il vous plaît. Now the waiter will go to bring the bill. So he'll say in French, D'accord, je porte ça to the suite. Read the pronunciation and repeat after me. D'accord, je porte ça to the suite. Very good. Now you are leaving, so you'll say in French, Voici l'argent à la prochaine, which means here is the money, see you next time. Read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Voici l'argent à la prochaine. Very good. Now the waiter will say, Merci, à la prochaine, madame, which means thank you, see you next time, madam. Just read the pronunciation and repeat after me. Very good. Merci, à la prochaine, madame. Now we have finished the first section where we have discussed the dialogues and their pronunciation as well as their meaning. Now we are starting with the second section where you will be talking in French with me. I am the waiter and you are the madam who is walking inside the cafe. So start the conversation by reading the pronunciation given in red. Very good. Bonjour, une table pour une personne, s'il vous plaît. Very good. I'm the waiter, so I'll say, Bonjour, madame, bien sûr, suivez-moi. Now it's your turn to speak. Very good. Merci, je peux avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît. Very good. Now I'll say, bien sûr, la voici. You say? Very good. Merci. Now it's my turn. Vous avez choisi, madame? Now you speak. Very good. Oui, je voudrais un café et une brioche, s'il vous plaît. Très bien, je le porte tout de suite. Voici votre commande, madame. Now you speak. Very good. Merci. Now you speak. Very good. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. D'accord. Je porte ça tout de suite. Now you speak. Very good. Voici l'argent à la prochaine. Merci. À la prochaine, madame. So, I think you have learned how to order food at a cafe. And if you have liked the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. À la prochaine. Au revoir.